Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we will discuss about one task in C program, how to print Fibonacci series. So Fibonacci series starting from 0 and 1, right? So we will get the next number based on adding the last two numbers. So 0, 1 and next one we will get adding 0 and 1. Then we will get 1 here. And next number 2 we will get 1 adding 1 plus 1, that is 2. And 3 it is adding 1 plus 2, and 5 means it will add the last two number 2 3, you'll get 5, like that. So we will give one limit, the number of elements we need to print that Fibonacci series. Okay, so how to do that? So here first we need to declare one variable int limit. Then we can just print out and your number of elements. Then we can scan off the data, scan off, percentage D. Here we can add that limit. You need to scan limit. Suppose the limit is less than 1, we need to show one error message like that. Okay. We don't want to execute, right? So here we can check if limit less than 1, then we can just print off. And then proper limit. Then we need to exit from the program. Exit. Otherwise, we need to continue with the program. So here we need to check some more conditions. So first we need to declare some variables, that is int. We need to check the first number and second number and next number also. Okay, so here we know that the first number is 0 and the second number is initially 1. This we can just initially 0. Okay, next we want to use the loop for, we need to check int I equal to 0, because it is starting from 0, right? So you can give 0, I less than limit. We need to execute the loop up to that limit. Here we are giving 5, then we need to print 5 elements. Then I plus plus. Here we can check if I less than or equal to 1. Then Next equal to, we can tell I. Otherwise, because 0, 1 means that is the next number is 1 only. So we can give like this. Otherwise, the next number equal to first number plus second number. So it will 0 and 1. The next number is 1. So in the next calculation, we need to calculate these two numbers. So we need to change the first number and second number. So here, first number is equal to second number. And second number means it is this next number, right? Then we need to print the data. Print of %d, we can print next element here. So suppose 0 and 1, then we will get, it will print 0, 1 means it will come here only, right? So it will print 0 and 1 here for this loop. Otherwise, it will add next next number to first number plus second number, and we will change the first number to second number and second number to the next number. So it will print the data, right? Here we can put one space also. Now we can try to run. We are getting one error because exit one. Okay, exit one is not part of this. So we need to give stdlib.h. Okay, so here we need to give hash include stdlib.h. Then we will run this, enter your number of elements, that is 1. So it is 0 and 2 means 0, 1. Okay, enter 5, then 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, right? 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Enter limit 10, then 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 5, 8, 13, 13 plus 8, 21, 21, 13, 34. So we are getting 10 elements, right? So this way we can print Fibonacci series. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.